Hello and welcome back again, my friends. It is nice to see you. Uh, First, my name is Beslin Petrus Samenta Stompul, and my student ID is 20030500049, and I came from English Education K1. So, on this occasion, let me give you an explanation about the Journal of English for Academics. So, the journal is entitled Evaluation of Software. Tell me more for teaching English. Technology Acceptance Model Approach. That have been written by Septika Arianti, Devi Gustianing, Muhammad Faktu Arifin, and Aisyah in University of Pringmusu and University Tidar of Magelang in 2 August 2021. So the abstract of this journal is knowing the students' technology acceptance about the use of learning media is important because can measure how far the media utilization is. So the research proposed is to recognize the significant influence between the variable of technology. So the acceptance model such as prerequisite, usefulness, specified ease of use, attitude towards use and behavior, intention in accepting software. Tell me more for teaching English. So the participant of this research is consisted of 51 students of English Education study program from Universitas Muhammadiyah Metro. The questionnaire made by the writer was used to find out the students' acceptance toward the use of software. Tell me more. Regression analysis is applied to analyze the data. Based on the data analysis through the questionnaire, it is revealed that there was a significant influence between the variable of technology acceptance model toward the students. So the introduction. The introduction of this journal is in the process of English language teaching, where teachers and lecturers try to engage the students to follow and understand the material effectively. One of the ways to achieve the learning objective is by using the media. Now, the availability of learning media are very much beginning from the conventional to sophisticated media. Besides, the existence of technology can create the more appropriate media such as the utilization of computer or laptop in the learning activities. So in the application, the utilization of computer can be more interesting if it is combined with the software. Because if the computer was not supported by the good software, will be only useless. So in English, one of the software application is Tell Me More Performance. Tell Me More is the worldwide pioneer in dialect learning computer program with more than 9 million full file clients worldwide. So the computer program is the foremost progress dialect preparing program accessibility, and it is progress discourse acknowledgements innovation permits learner to work in real life exchange and discussions. So in this case, one of the colleagues which use the Tell Me More in teaching English is technology acceptance model, basically conducted in investigating the issues infecting users, acceptance of modern technology system. Technology acceptance model. So the hypothesis of technology acceptance model was started in 1986 by Fred Davis, and after that, has gone through a few approval and adjustment. Bertrand and Boucher explained that the theory aims to reflect determined factors in technology acceptance, the user attitude towards the technology system, and also to show simple theoretical explanatory model. The method in this journal means that the data collected and analyzed statistically based on the students' score from each technology acceptance model variable. So the sample of this study were the students of 3rd and the 5th semester of English education study programs in Universitas Muhammadiyah Metro, which comprises around 51 students. One explanation may be that when students see the e-portfolio system as a simple use to an effortless system, they may have a positive attitude towards the usefulness of the framework. In addition, Yunus Hasim MB and Lubis said the findings showed that the majority of the students agreed that the Tell Me More software was simple to use, possibly because the students found the language used in the software clear and easy to understand. Okay, this finding was in line with Tandaku lagi will confirm that the value has positive and effective impact the proposal of e-learning. At this point, positive impact and the acceptance of innovation and the table above show the error value showing a relationship between attitude towards use behavioral intention, and the score is 0.862. L square explains the influence attitude towards to be behavioral intention. The tables mean that R squared value is 0.742, that is the effect of attitude towards use on behavioral intention. This research focuses on recognizing the effect between the technology variable. Attitude to use had highest impact on behavioral intention received after the positive effect perceived is of use in English Tell Me More software. So in addition to perceived usefulness has a positive effect on attitude toward of use. And this research finding is supported by Sapti and Sashisan, revealing that students' response was mostly positive towards the use of computer and web in learning. Okay, so the conclusion on this journal is this research is focused on recognize the influence between the variable technology, and the attitude toward use had the highest influence to behavioral intention, taken after by the positive influence and perceived ease to use in English software Tell Me More. It has proven, although most of the students revealed that the use of the software Tell Me More still finding some difficulties, such as software did not work for a moment, the word pronunciation was not clear, the students still get some advantage from software Tell Me More, such as the findings of this research were relevant to the theories and previous study related to the technology acceptance model. And the second conclusion is, by knowing the result of this research, hopefully the students can accept the software Tell Me More in a good way and use it in the process of learning process continuously. And the third conclusion, it is suggested to other research to conduct similar research related to the technology acceptance model towards some language in learning software. So that's all for my explanation about the evaluation of software Tell Me More for English. For teaching English, technology acceptance model approach journal, academic speaking, and thank you for your listening, and see you again next time. Thank you.